We have breaking news coming in from Mumbai. Major blaze as far as huts are concerned. These are huts close to the Mumbai harbour line, and these are train tracks between Bandra and Mahim services that have been suspended. It's a major fire that broke out in the huts close to the harbour line local train tracks in the Dharavi area. We have Paras joining us. Paras, all this took place at 12:15. Are things under control? Have the services been resumed?
Still there is a security measures, and that's why the all the transportation has not been resumed by the railways because of the security reasons. Because when this fire broke out at 12:15, there was some cylinder blast also reported nearby the place where this fire broke out. It's nearby the Mahim station, and it's a very sensitive area. It's very dense area because there is thousands of slum area is over there. There are thousands of huts over there, and inside one hut this fire broke out, and after that this whole situation occurred. So considering the precautionary measures, still the harbour line services are on halt, but it will be resumed as soon as all the process will be over at the incident place. Right now fire is under control, but the cooling process is still on, and it's taking time because it's a very dense populated area.
Look at your ground report as to what really led to these train tracks, of course this temporary suspension of those services of the train. Let's listen in.
के पास तकरीबन 12 बजे के आसपास आग में तकरीबन 8 से 9 सिलेंडर भी ब्लास्ट होने की बात सामने आ रही है। देखें तो आग पर काबू पा लिया गया है, मगर अभी भी जो है वो कूलिंग का काम जो है वो किया जा रहा है। लगातार धुआं जो है वो जले हुए सामान से उठ रहा है।